हेलो स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू माय ऑनलाइन क्लास। आज हम पढ़ेंगे फिफ्थ क्लास की इंग्लिश की बुक। ओपन करो बच्चों फिफ्थ इंग्लिश बुक। फर्स्ट चैप्टर हमारा कंप्लीट हो गया था, देन सेकेंड भी कंप्लीट हो गया था हमारा, जो हमने पढ़ा था ए स्कूल विद ए डिफरेंस। कंप्लीट हो गया था हमारा चैप्टर। देन थर्ड चैप्टर निकालेंगे हम। थर्ड चैप्टर है बच्चों द बैड मैन। थर्ड चैप्टर है हमारा दी बैड मेंटर। दी बैड मेंटर, बैड मेंटर के बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे। Once there lived a very rich man in a small village. He had a lot of money. The rich man died when his son was only 2 years old. So the was brought up under the care of his mother. Only she was an affectionate lady. She had inherited a lot of wealth and property. She provided all comfort and luxuries to her son. Now the boy grew up and was sent to school. He did not have interest. He did not have interest in studies. Due to his least interest in studies, he joined the company. Careless and truant classmates in their company, he learnt the habit of stealing things. Gradually, the bad habits of the boy were known to the people. He was known as a notorious boy. The boy did not attend his class regularly, and his homework was never complete. He was always busy in stealing things, so the complaints reached to his class teacher and the principal. He was punished several times, but there was no sign of any improvement in him. The complaint against his activities reached his mother. In the beginning, mother thought that these were pretty trifles, and so they paid no attention. Favored her son on one or the other pretext. Although the complaint of this thrift were brought to his mother, she compensated the complaint by offering him some money. The act of regular protection provided by his mother made him more bold and daring. His mischief knew no bounds. Once he was caught red-handed stealing a ring, but still the mother shielded him. The school's principal and the teachers were tired of hearing complaints against him. He neglected his studies completely. He had learned so many bad habits that finally he was expelled from the school. Now the boy was free to loiter. He would pick up quarrels with the people of the village for no cause. Son, he became an unwanted figure for the villagers. Nobody liked him, yet he did not bother at all about it because no one was there to keep a check on him. One rainy night, the boy was caught by the villagers while he was trying to run away with jewelries that he had stolen from the neighborhood. The neighbors beated him a lot and handed him over to the police. During the trial, reliable witness gave their witness and evidence to the court. The boy was sentenced a 5-year rigorous imprisonment. It was shocking to the old mother. The boy was in police custody. He requested to be given a chance to walk to his mother before he was taken to jail. The court granted his request. The boy asked his mother to stand close him so that he might whisper something in her ears. When his mother came closer, the boy caught hold of her right ear with his strong teeth, and the lady cried in pain. The policeman moved to her rescue, but by that time the young boy had bitten a portion of her ear lobe. Everyone in the court was struck by unusual act and could not make out any reason for this. The boy cried in loud voice, "You, my mother, are responsible for the sentence given to me by the court. If you had checked me and punished me after my first act to steal a pretty article of my classmate, I would not have faced this to- time." The boy had learned the lesson from his own deed, but it was too late to save his career. ये चैप्टर है बच्चों, ये आपको रीड करना है। क्या चैप्टर है हमारा? द बैड मेंटर। द बैड मेंटर, ये आपका पूरा चैप्टर है। ये आपको लर्न करना है, रीड करना, आपको पढ़ना है और क्वेश्चन आंसर आपको लर्न करने हैं। ये देखो, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन दिए हुए हैं। शी वाज एन अफेक्शनेट तो आएगा लेडी। ही वाज नो as ए notorious. He neglected his the studies. The boy was sentenced a 5-year tiger rigorous, but it was too late to tiger save. He had only one loving son. The boy had learnt habits. That is why he was expelled right from the school. The boy caught hold of the ear of his mother. यह भी छोड़ना। The mother of the boy provided all comfort and luxuries to her son. The rich man died when his son was a year old. I would not have faced this time. क्वेश्चन आंसर में आपको कॉपी में लिखकर भेजना। ये आपको नोटबुक में, ये अभी जितने भी मैंने करवाए हैं, चूज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन से आपको नोटबुक में करना है और क्वेश्चन आंसर भी करना है और लर्न भी करना है और चैप्टर आपको पढ़ना है। ये होमवर्क है आपका। और पीछे जो चैप्टर में क्वेश्चन आंसर दे रखे हैं वो भी लर्न करना है, वो भी होमवर्क है फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड चैप्टर का।